Yo, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Give me a quick audio feedback, make sure everything's good. I just rolled up the windows, put the AC on. Let's see, it's 2 o'clock Central, 1 o'clock Central right now. Just wanted to give you a quick view here. We are passing Ward Avenue on Nimitz. Oh, I'm gonna slow down quick. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful day today. Ward Avenue. Just wanted to share this experience with you out here in Hawaii. Looks beautiful. So give a quick thumbs up if you like Hawaii right now. Let me go ahead and flip the camera so this way I could see what you see. So again, yesterday I wanted to do our YouTube live, but I could not make it. I was busy with the family and I couldn't get on at 8 p.m. Central. So I'm gonna be making it up to you guys. We're gonna be doing that hopefully today. I'll send you an email update and then we could go ahead and do some auto body Q&A. But I just wanted to show you quick couple of minutes how beautiful it is here today in Hawaii. Share the view with you. Can you guys hear me okay? I want to make sure the audio is coming in. Pretty sure the video is good. And I just wanted to show you around. So we'll take a drive for a couple of minutes and I will talk to you later. So I'm here in Ward Avenue in Nimitz, Ala Moana Boulevard. Yes, we can. Great, Tony. So yeah, so I'm very excited. I got some cool projects coming up this summer. We're gonna be doing the mini truck project. I can't wait. Decided on a couple color combinations. Might be going with a two-tone teal and white. I'm moving toward with some metallic flake in it. It's gonna look really good. And we're also gonna be using some brand new spray guns that I got. Finally worked it out with the spray gun company that I've been dealing with for months since the inception at SEMA Car Show 2016 in November. So we got things rolling out for that. We're going to be getting some new spray guns. I'm not going to release the brand name yet. It's an unknown brand, but designed in actually Dallas, Texas, and manufactured in Asia. Beautiful spray guns. And I can't wait to share them with you. So if you see here, we are at Pier 1. We're coming across Pier 1 and you can see the Princess Cruise Line. You can see that. That's the Princess Cruise Line boat right there. And then we got Ruth Chris right over there. Steakhouse in that building right in there. And these are the piers over here. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pass Pier 1 where the cruise ships come in. Is the video pretty clear, guys? It looks clear on my end. So we'll just go another light or two and I'll show you what it looks like around here. And we'll call it a day and I'll speak to you guys later. All good. Yeah, so how's everybody doing today? You guys at work? Today's Friday. You could actually sand that with maybe even a 320. It's very, very tough stuff. I'd even dry sanded it with the DA. You could even dry sand it with a DA 320 then to 400. But the feather fill is thick polyester putty, filler putty. Check this out. There's the cruise line, the Princess. Over at Pier 1. I'm probably gonna hang out at Pier 1 one day with my family. Not the whole day, just, you know, maybe have dinner there or go to Hooters. There's Hooters in there. We'll see. And then this is the business district here, downtown Honolulu, Hawaii, where you got all the businesses. I almost bought a corner unit in this Charles Schwab building a few years ago, but the deal didn't go through. It's a beautiful corner unit with a huge balcony in this building here. This is another building. I don't know the name of that one, but this is the district business. There's the Bishop Street we're passing right now. Okay, we got the Harbors Division, Department of Transportation, Harbors Union Division right here. Okay, and then as we get back in here, it turns into Chinatown, but you got to go over on King Street. I got to move in to King Street back in there. And then you got Chinatown in this area in the back. Okay, and then you got some of the fishing ferries, some of the Matson boats in here on this side of the harbor. Okay. And then you got the bums. There's a lot of bums. I see a lot of bums lately in Hawaii. Poverty is really hitting everybody here. It's pretty tough. For if you look back in there, those are all tents. These are all tent cities up in here. If you see all that, all the bums are living here. On this side, you can see the bums. They're all over this area. This used to be a Kmart. They turned it into Long's Drugs. And then we got my favorite restaurant coming up, Zippy's, where I usually get, you know, chili Frank, chili dogs, Simon. They got a lot of good food in here. Zippy's, one of my favorite locations as well. Then you got Hilo Hattie. Okay, we're still on Ala Moana Boulevard. Once you get up this far, it turns into Nimitz. And then you get into the more business district area. And then you got the body shops. We should actually take a cruise around and show you where I started with the body work. I'm gonna hook up with some old friends of mine as well, back in the day when we had our body shops going. Look at the tent cities again. I said there's a lot of bums. They're literally building houses right on the side of the road here. And what's happening is a lot of the bums, they're moving to Hawaii from the mainland because it's warmer out here and they could live on the beach or on the side of the road without worrying about extreme heat or cold. So that's a big problem here. So this is not, I mean, it's like a vacation, but I work half the time working on my other online businesses and you know, just pretty much working and having fun at the same time. I got to get over. Oh wow, we got some traffic here on Nimitz. So if we go up here, I'll show you. Let's go up. Let's screw Nimitz. Let's go up to Dillingham Boulevard. New World Order. For sure. It's not really anything to laugh about it. So I'll show you the community college that I went to, where I dropped out because I didn't want to take speech class or typing class. I mean, I went and then I just said, screw this, I'm done. And then I dropped out and I just continued doing body work and on cars and flipping cars for profit. Hey, Allie girl. Allie's up. Allie is up right now. So here is the college. Allie, we're going home, big girl. You scared the lights out of me. So here is Honolulu Community College. I don't know if you could read that sign right in there. Honolulu Community College on Dillingham Boulevard. So basically, yeah, no problem. Enjoy the vid. So here's Allie girl. Hi, Al. Hello, Allie's hanging out. We just dropped Mom off. Mom's getting her hair done today. So that's the deal. I just got up, had a pretty rough travel. I didn't sleep the day I got in, so I was literally up for like almost 48 hours. I just couldn't sleep. But last night I slept good. Yeah, Hawaii is my hometown. Born and raised. Moved out in 2013 to Dallas. So Dallas is my hometown now, but this is where I grew up. I'm just showing you guys around. I got my license in that building over there when I was 14 years old. The motor vehicle is behind those buildings in that area. I was 14 and 9 months, you get your driver's permit, and by the time you're 15, you could be on the road, driving around. I don't even know if they're still open. It's in back of these buildings here. You got the, and then there's another Zippy's right here. We used to go to this one a lot, my dad. And then you got Bob's Barbecue coming up on the right, which I used to go to once in a while. They got pretty good barbecue food there. So check out the Hawaiian license plate. You got the rainbow plate. I think I'm gonna grab a coffee at McDonald's. I quit coffee, but I'm kind of on vacation now. Well, it's not really a vacation. Sometimes I just like to spoil myself with a cup of coffee. I quit like a month ago. Damn, the line is long as hell. I don't know if I want to stay in it. Maybe we'll just do it. So yeah, I'm grabbing a cup of coffee. So this is it, my friends. Honolulu, Hawaii. You can see the Hawaiian flag, American flag, and the McDonald's flag. I'll be in touch, guys. We'll be doing live Q&A very shortly. Thanks for jumping on. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour of Honolulu, Hawaii. How many of you guys would like more of this? Give me a quick thumbs up or yeah, Tony, because I plan on heading out to the North Shore, going to other beaches, and I could easily stream and show you some amazing views in different parts of the island. So if you're interested, let me know. I will do that for you. I think you'll love it. Give me a yeah, Tony, do it. What's the temperature? Yeah, temperatures in Hawaii from 72 to 85 year round, pretty much. It's tropical. The weather is it's the most perfect weather in the world. I've been to a lot of places, a lot of countries, and I would say that Hawaii has probably one of the best climates ever in anywhere you go. Mexico, you get really hot, really muggy, but here you got the trade winds, and it's beautiful. So hope you enjoyed. I'll be back on. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, go home, and yeah, guys, I'll be streaming live while I'm here. I'm only here for another 9 days or so, so I'll be streaming live. I'm gonna be hitting up some beautiful beaches, some beautiful places. Check out this mural on that wall there. It's a big wave. If you could see the building there, right up there's a big wave painted on the building. Pretty cool. Maybe you could see a little bit better like that. So anyway, I'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks for hopping on. Thumbs up, and I'll be in touch. Have a great day, guys. Talk soon. Bye-bye. Peace.